Hey everybody, I'm Chef Scott, and we are here in front of an H-E-B bakery. I am here with 3 of the absolute best junior bakers in all of Texas, and we are here to bake Mom's Day. Girls, are you ready?
Yeah!
Do this! For this Mother's Day, you guys are gonna bake Mom's Day, but we need to know who you are.
My name's Lila, and I'm going to be making my mom a fruit tart.
My name's Elsie, and I'm gonna make my mom chocolate cupcakes with like a rose piping decoration.
My name's Anaiah, and I'm gonna make my mom chocolate chip cookies because it's her signature recipe.
Chocolate chip cookies, I love it. So 3 great desserts for Mom's Day. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's shop. Elsie, I don't know if you know this, but at H-E-B, we have so many great gifts for Mom, under $15. What do you want to grab as extra inspiration for Mom's Day?
I like those. With the pink
Oh, yeah, a
packaging.
little Dutch petite
Those are
bouquet. Okay,
cute.
let's check this out. So we have brown sugar, salt, butter, vanilla, baking soda, milk, and bread flour.
I'm missing my chocolate chips and sugar.
That's it, I got them. Okay, I got the semi-sweet baking chips, I got our sugar, organic raspberries, that was on your list. What was the last thing on your list?
Mangoes.
Mangoes, okay, you got mangoes right there. Okay, let's go check out. Let's get cooking. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. I'm so excited to watch you guys make everything you're gonna make in our test kitchen. All right, we are done shopping. We have all of our ingredients right. We're ready to go. Surprise, you need your H-E-B aprons
Oh,
officially.
thank you.
1, 2, 3, bake! All right, let's go, 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 go!
So first, I'm adding in my dry ingredients and mixing that all together.
Right now, I'm gonna mix all my sugar and my butter together so it can form a base for my cookies.
You definitely did a hard one. We're gonna go big, right? We're gonna show her like, hey, this took some time to do it.
I'm scraping down the sides of my bowls, and I'm about to add about a cup of hot water.
Why do you add hot water?
So it kind of like gets the cake a lot more moist
Yep.
than others, and it just tastes really good to me.
Oh, I love this. Who taught you this technique?
Sort of myself.
Really?
Yes.
That dough looks really good.
Thank you. I can
it all
smell
together.
your cookie dough. It smells delicious.
You done with your sablé?
I am. It is going to go into the fridge.
Nice.
These are these semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let me see can I see the dough? Have you ever tried leaving it overnight?
Usually my mom, she'll like scoop a couple out and then like leave them in the freezer, and then whenever she wants a cookie, she'll just pop it in the oven.
So yeah, you're not kidding. It's like when you add so much water that it's really, really wet, people are gonna look at this and go, holy cow, did I do it wrong? And
Yeah.
it's not, right? Because it's
Yeah,
all going to cohesively gel, right?
Yeah, it's gonna make it very moist. Okay.
Are you ready? Should I go in the oven with this guy?
Yep.
Is this ready?
How's your apron like so clean and then?
If you don't make a mess in the kitchen, are you really baking?
I know, right?
All right, so you're doing
Pastry cream.
cornstarch.
Yes.
What else? Egg yolks?
Egg yolks and a
milk.
little bit of milk.
And a little bit of milk.
So we're gonna take our cooled tart shell
Ooh, oh, I
out
love that.
of the pan.
That's how you get out of the pan easily, right? I like that. All right, so pastry cream goes in, and then the fruit goes right on top.
Yes.
So you're using the organic H-E-B raspberries. We have our Sweet Carolina blackberries.
Sweet Carolina.
That's right.
Bum, bum, bum.
Let me get this straight. You watched one video, and that was it.
Yep. And then I just started practicing.
I think she's doing really good.
I think she's got great technique. I think that these are all gonna turn out really pretty.
Holy cow, you guys blew my mind. Look at all the great stuff you did. Chocolate cupcakes, homemade rose pipe icing, amazing. Fruit tart, homemade sablé crust, pastry cream, all the fruit glaze, chopping everything, beautiful. Our homemade cookies, it doesn't get any better than great homemade chocolate chip cookies from a family recipe since before she was born. This is amazing, guys. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. We're so happy. And don't forget, if you don't have these girls' baking skills, do not worry. Most of us don't. You could always head into your local H-E-B bakery. They'll take care of you. And there's so many great gifts at H-E-B, under $15, everything you need. Happy Mother's Day from us right here at H-E-B. Hope you have a fantastic Mother's Day to all our Texas moms and beyond.